Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So we back out doing some testing. Tomorrow is our list race, and we are doing a shake-up. So I was number 1, Charlie was number 2, and so on. We all threw our chips back in, and we're gonna start from scratch. So it's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna try to get a new car on the list. So that's what we out here testing for. We got a few more people coming out. Hopefully you guys don't hit a win. We got a few more people coming out, so y'all stay tuned for that. And also I'm trying the Hero 9 again, and hopefully my footage stays on the SD card. Alright guys, stay tuned. No! Broke something. Oh, he walks you down? Oh, nice save, Kyle. Yo. His tire is chirping off the line. That thing hooking. Ooh. There you go. You let off? You let off in the left lane?
No. So what is that? Is that the Nova that you made?
Yeah, the box. Don't worry about that. You just hit the cone. Hopefully it didn't break nothing though on your car. What? They chirping. That was moving. You can get out. Got it turned up, huh? That was better. VX element?
have no steering going left.
Oh, yeah? I hope he makes a couple.
What the fuck, though?
That was a fucking run. That was a run.
I should have been here freaking hours ago.
Yep.
Hopefully it don't spin. We'll see.
Tires are heated for sure. Still spinning though.
Yeah, that different. That shit is.
Still spinning though, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
I gotta get rid of. I gotta get rid of. Right? I gotta get rid of that body slap.
Yeah, but I know yuck cars usually don't do that.
That one woke up right there.
A little more out the fucking jump.
That red lighted.
Yeah, I know.
I was getting 2-4. That's crazy.
Yeah, we both done it.
You red lighter.
I know I did. So I said, damn. I would have let off. I just wanted to see my time. You know?
Nah, that's. You think I would have let off? Shit. You definitely got me. That was a run.
Turned it up a little. I went to -30 in there.
That had to have been a 2-2. My battery must be dead. Let me definitely check that. 6-7 runs.
Yeah, no, you just made a lot of passes.
Told you.
That's pretty clean.
Yeah. You know what I need? I need a Corvette body.
I spun too.
Yeah, a little bit.
Where you getting all these bodies from? The one that has the white Corvette?
Oh, yeah. Kevin said he's got one too. Kevin Ward with that. Yeah, you got launch control, you got all kind of shit.
Trying to get those pieces in the top too.
Hobby Quarters really said that's the last one in the world.
Yep. And I told him,
That's funny shit.
I was like, what about the one in my closet? Not even opened.
Guarantee you I can go find one somewhere. Right now. If I...